Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top for new collection milling cutter grinder drill review 2025.
Number 4.
The Z1311 drill bit sharpener is a T20V 120W portable tool designed for easy sharpening using an angle grinder disc. Compatible with ordinary grinders. It restores dull drill bits efficiently, extending tool life. Ideal for home workshops and DIY users.
Number 3.
Main features of the product. 1. The sharpening is accurate and fast. The operation is simple, and it can be easily sharpened without skills. The sharpening time is less than 20 seconds. 2. Economical prices, greatly saving costs, and improving use efficiency. 3. The drill bit adopts diamond grinding wheel. The angle is accurate, and the service life is long.
Number 2.
The GD320 electric milling cutter grinder is designed for sharpening 3C 20mm drill bits and multi-blade and mills, running at 4,500 RPM with a T20V power supply. It features CBN/SDC wheels for precise, efficient sharpening, making it ideal for workshop and industrial use.
Number 1.
The MR13AM or 13D MR20G drill bit sharpener is a versatile, electric sharpening machine for 220mm bits, operating on T20V 110V. It uses durable CBN/SDC wheels for precise grinding, ideal for industrial and workshop use. It ensures quick, accurate, and long-lasting drill bit sharpening.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.